Hey guys, I'm going to show you two ways which are free to combine or merge PDFs. One is a web tool which you can use online without installing anything, and the other one is PDF-SAM, which is a tool which you can install in Windows, Linux and on the Mac. My preferred method is the PDF-SAM tool, but since that requires a bit more effort, I'll show you first the combine PDF option, this website. So opening the website, you can just drag a few PDFs in here. Once they have uploaded, you can organize them. Let's say I want to put page 3 first, then I can hit combine and it has merged the PDF and downloaded it to my PC. I can open it up and I can see that the pages are in the order I wanted them to be in. Since this tool does upload the content to a website, if it is sensitive data, I don't prefer to use this option, but I'd rather use something which I can do fully offline on my computer. So for that purpose, PDF-SAM is a very good tool. It is a free and open source. The basic version anyhow is free. There is also a commercial version which you can pay for, which has more features, and it really is open source. It's HEPL version 3 licensed, and there is a GitHub repository which has all the source code in it and some documentation. So if you hit download, you can find the install buttons for downloading. There's the Mac OS version, there's the Linux version and Windows version. My preferred one is the Windows version, which you can download here. If you have downloaded the installer, you can install the package, and I already did that, so I can launch PDF-SAM Basic here and use the merge functionality. There's a destination folder where you can specify the file name and path, but you don't need to do that necessarily. You can just drag the PDFs in here, and then you can use the up and down arrows or drag and drop to rearrange the pages, and then you can just click on run. It will combine the PDF, and then you can click on open to or browse to the folder and open the document, and everything appears as you would expect. PDF-SAM also has those other features. There's the split, rotate, extract, and a few other features in the free version. So I think it's a really powerful tool. This video wasn't sponsored in any way, but if you would like to support the channel and like audiobooks, you could use my link down in the description to Audible to get a free book and at the same time give me commission. I'm currently listening to the Michelle Obama book Becomming. It's a good book. There are also a few others. I can leave recommendations down in the description. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing for other similar content later on. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.